Here's a new 2020 Toyota Corolla. Get an all-access pass to life in a car that doesn't just get you there, it gets you. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Smart device navigation, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, configurable instrument gauges, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual telescoping steering column, continuously variable automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Kelley Blue Book reports Toyota's Corolla sedan continues to offer buyers a proven commodity that delivers value, efficiency, and peace of mind. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Visit our website at youngercars.com. We're conveniently located at 1945 Dual Highway in Hagerstown, Maryland.